Welcome to the online session of Power Plant Engineering. My name is Vishal Acharya. Today we will discuss about the introduction to Rod system. Second, losses in the air and gas circuit of boiler. Third, classification of Rod system. This topic is related to our chapter Rod system. First, introduction to drought. What is the drought? Drought is defined as the difference between the absolute gas pressure any point in the gas flow passage and the atmospheric pressure at the same elevation. Here, draft is achieved by the small pressure difference which causes the flow of air or gas to take place. It is the measure in the millimeter or column of the water. Here simply we say that here draft system is generated the part of the air entering and exhaust the part of the hot gases. The main purpose of the draft system is the supply to required quantity of air into the boiler for the combustion of the fuel and to remove the exhaust gases from the boiler process to maintain the flow of air and gases. And our second main objective is to create the pressure defense against the pressure losses in the flow passage, some duct losses, some objectional device, and to discharge the exhaust gases such that way will not be objectionable or injurious to the surrounding. Here injurious means the human health effect on the hot gases. Next topic is the losses in the air and gas circuit of boiler. Here draft is the nothing but pressure difference required to accelerate the burnt gas to their final velocity and overcome to the pressure losses in the boiler process. Here different types of losses available in the draft system. So we require the draft is generated to overcome these losses. First is the head required to accelerate the gases, means the velocity head, and head losses in the path of the fuel gases with the objectionable equipments. First is the HT is equal to HV plus HA plus HG plus HT. Here HT means the total draft required or total losses which provide for the accelerating the gas flow. HV is the pressure loss due to the gas exit velocity from the chimney. Here the gas is surrounding mixes with the absolute temperature or atmospheric air. So diffusion and mixing are required for the some velocity. This velocity loss is called the pressure loss due to the exit velocity. In the mathematical term, we count that V square by 2G, where V is the velocity of the exhaust gas. Next is the pressure loss in the air side. Pressure loss in the air side is totally dependent upon the component passed through the air passed through these components. First is the air preheater, furnace beds, and grate channel. And third is the pressure loss in the gas side. Pressure loss in the gas side, the gas passed through the superheater, air preheater, economizer, and the dust collector, and then after pass through the draft system. So these losses are due to the component of the boiler. Here last is the pressure losses in the chimney and gas duct due to friction. Here some friction losses are also calculated. In the general term 4FL V square by 2GD is called the friction losses. Here some another losses means the fuel bed and furnace grate losses. Second, chimney and air duct losses due to the friction, and objectionable losses like superheater, air preheater, economizers. This type of losses is created by the objectional or some problem pressure required to accelerate the gas flow through this device. Here number of draft system is available. Here classification of the draft. Here two types of the draft system, natural draft and artificial draft. Draft is created by the pressure difference. First is the natural draft. Natural draft produced by the chimney. This is naturally no mechanical device or artificial device used. In the artificial device used for the create the pressure is called artificial draft. Here two types of artificial draft, steam jet and second is the mechanical draft system. In the steam jet is produced by the jet of the steam, and in the mechanical draft is produced by the fans. Here two types of the steam jet, forced draft, induced draft, same for the mechanical force and induced draft. First we learn about the natural draft system. It produces a draft which require the force air and gas through the furnace, boiler accessory and setting. Means the air pass to the air preheater to the grate and path for the combustion of the fuel, and gas pass through the air preheater, superheater, economizer, this device for boiler accessory and settings. It carries the product combustion to such height that will be not be objectionable or injurious to the surrounding. Already we discussed about these topics. The chimney is a vertical tubular structure built either is masonry, concrete or steel. Majority is masonry by the concrete. The draft produced by the chimney is due to the density difference between the column of the hot gases inside the chimney and the cold air outside the chimney. Also on the height of the chimney above the level of the furnace grate. So here three parameters are most important. First is the density of hot gases, second is the density of the atmospheric air, and last is the height above the furnace grate. Figure indicates the in the starting the here in the chimney hot gas not fill up. First is the atmospheric air fill up. When combustion will be start, here pass through the components and to the chimney. Here hot gas is fill up, and this level when the hot gas fill up, here density generate, and due to the density here some pressure generate. Same for the atmospheric air, due to the grate level height and atmospheric pressure is generated. So here this pressure, positive pressure difference, air is enter and hot gas is outside. This system generated by the natural draft system. Here consider the chimney height h above the grate level in shown figure first. Here pressure at the grate level, chimney base, and P2 is equal to pressure at the top of the chimney. Here when the fire is not lighted to the chimney is filled by the atmospheric air, and pressure at grate level is given by P1 is equal to P2 plus pressure due to the atmospheric air column of the height air. Here P2 is the atmospheric pressure to be counted. P2 is equal to PA, so that P1 is equal to PA plus rho A into G into H. Rho A is the atmospheric air density 1.282 meter kg per meter cubes. G is equal to gravitational constant 9.81 meter per second square. Height is the above the grate level height of chimney. Second, when the fire is lighted up the final, when the combustion will be start, the hot gas will be fill up to the chimney as well as the fuel gas passage. The pressure at the grate level is given by P1 dash is equal to P2 plus the pressure due to the hot fuel gas column of height H. So P2 is equal to PA. So we calculate the P1 is equal to PA plus rho G into G into H. Here rho G is the density of the hot gases. Here net pressure difference between delta P is equal to P1 minus P1 dash, so that rho A plus rho G H minus PA plus rho G into GH. Here we equation in the term of the density is equal to rho A minus rho G into G into H. Here air density is increased than the hot gases. So here some positive pressure difference generate. So air is enter into the grate level and hot gas remove to the atmosphere. Here, this system pressure is generated is also called the static draught system or static draft system also. Draught and draft is similar phenomena. Here, fresh air is enter here and hot gas is enter here out. Here H is the column of the air column when the chimney filled with the air, and H plus H is the effective column of hot gas when chimney fill up with the hot gases. Here, due to the density difference, air is coming out to the grate level and hot gas exhaust by the chimney. Thank you.